Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. Welcome to my office. This is where I'm spending my day. Got my little drink bottle. By the way, we don't have a dog. It's for when people come over and they want to like lie on the floor. Hazel loves like lying on the floor, so she just got that because it's like a big pillow and it's really cute. Anyway, I'm here with my Switch, got my water. I'm having a very relaxing day. I am about to redo my toenails because they are looking jacked. I'm having like a pamper day. I've already had like a shower. I've like done the full body shave. It's that day. I'm gonna do my eyebrows later, if this wants to focus on them. Yeah, you guys can see they need to be done, so I'll do my eyebrows a bit later. I'm gonna try out my new face mask as well. I'll show you my exfoliant. Today's just like a chill day. We cleaned the house this morning. Oh my gosh, by the way, can you see that on my lip? I bit my lip last night or yesterday when I was eating breakfast, and I've bit it every time that I've eaten something since. So sore and raw, and it's like it was bleeding everywhere. Anyway, so if you think I'm talking weird, it's because the little like ulcers rubbing on my teeth. Also my lips are so dry. I'm just a mess. Anyway, sorry if you don't like feet, I'm about to show you my feet. Here's our before. I'm wearing OPI polish, by the way. Do you love my sandal tan? It's great. See it before. This is the polish color that I'm using, by the way. It's by OPI. I don't know what the name of the color is because it's in like one of those limited edition kits. I think it might have, actually I don't know what collection it was. OPI Peru, does that sound like it could ring a bell? Anyway, I'm gonna take off my old polish. I've just got my nail polish remover. Pop this on and I'll show you when I'm done. And that's the after. Wow, there's really loud music coming because Corby's watching Peaky Blinders, but yeah, just little pink toes. And now I relax some more with so much effort painting my nails. Such a hard life on a Sunday. Guys, I completely forgot to vlog my meal prep, but I've just got this pasta with pesto and it looks like this. That's like one portion of pasta. Like, are you kidding me? I made it for 2 people, by the way, so there's like mine and then Janae's. So there's like 2 people's servings and there's still some left over. And then I've got chicken in the slow cooker. I only just put it in, but got that with some chicken stock and I'm going to shred it and put it on top. And yeah, just need to grab another container for the leftover pasta. So we're back in my bathroom again. I am going to show you guys my exfoliant that I mentioned a couple vlogs back, my like harsher exfoliant. Let me just pop my hair back because I'm going to put on a face mask as well. So this headband's from 4th Ray. That's not what I was going to say. I was going to say this exfoliant is from Mecca. Well, I bought it from Mecca. It's not Mecca brand. It is the go-to exfoliating swipies. So it's got a whole bunch of little pads. They smell phenomenal. They smell like zesty citrus, sour, delicious. That has AHAs in it, which is alpha hydroxy acid, which is like really good for your skin, like resurfacing. So it just says swipe 3 times a week. No, I do it once a week. It just says swipe a single pad all over the face and neck, avoiding the under eye area. Leave solution on for 60 seconds. Rinse face, follow with serum and or face oil, then face cream. So I'm going to use this and then I'm going to try out my new hydrating mask. And then I'll also use that gua sha. I called it the wrong thing in the video that I got it in, but gua sha is how you pronounce it, I'm assuming. So it has, you guys won't be able to see on camera, I doubt. I don't think you'll be able to, but this side has like little kind of like ridges and that side's really flat. So what I like to do is start with the kind of more abrasive side and I do my whole face, obviously just like only scrubbing around my nose and chin and maybe like around my eyebrows. In the rest of my face I'm just kind of swiping, but I sort of like rub it a little bit more in those areas that I actually need like more exfoliating, you know. Do it all over my face, being really sure to like keep it away from my eyes and my dermatitis, just because I don't like putting acid products on my dermatitis, as I'm sure you guys can imagine. My dermatitis is only really on my eyes and my outer corner, so it doesn't even go anywhere near it. Once I feel like I've rubbed it enough with that side, I then just go on with the other side and just go on top. I don't think it's really necessary to do, oh, that went too close to my eye. It's really necessary to do both sides, but it does feel quite nice to like go over afterwards with like a smooth side of the swipey. Then I'm just gonna leave it on for a couple of seconds. There's no burning, there's no tingling, tiny bit of tingling. It doesn't feel uncomfortable though. Like when you say acid, I feel like sometimes it sounds like it's gonna be really bad, but it's not. So I'm just gonna give it like a couple more seconds and then I will wash it off. I'm just gonna go grab the mask so that I've got it to put straight on. So excited to try this mask, you guys. But for now, I'm just gonna rinse this off. I'm just going to use water because I'm just about to put a mask on, so I don't want to over process my skin. Pretty sure my nose ring was probably tilted that whole time. It's just been tilted in all of the clips that I've filmed this week. It drives me crazy. Anyway, now I'm going to go ahead and use this mask. If you guys missed the other vlog, this is the mask. It's the 4th Ray Beauty Soak It Up Hydrating Hyaluronic Mask. I smelt it after I filmed the clip and it's really aloe-y, which is nice. It just says, apply to clean skin and leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Simply wipe with a tissue to remove. It can also be worn as an overnight mask or rich moisturizer when needed. Nice. This is a bit of me. So the packaging is really cute. If I remember, sorry, if I forget, remind me and I'll link it off down below. But it should be linked off there for you guys. So it's just got a little cap. Got it. So it's like a kind of like periwinkle blue color. Very pretty. Smells super duper fresh, so I'm just going to apply it all over my skin, and I'm going to leave this on for probably like closer to half an hour just to really hydrate my skin. I don't like to go too close to my eyes even with the hydrating mask because I don't want anything too rich by my eyes because I don't want to get milia. Not that I'm prone to getting milia, but I'm always cautious. So that amount of mask that I got from just the lid alone was like more than enough. So a little bit does go a long way. Definitely don't think I could use this as a moisturizer because it's like super thick, but I don't know if you guys can see how much is left on the lid. Like I didn't actually use that much product at all, so this is going to last a long time. And it's good for 5 months. Are you kidding? That's crazy. I'm not keeping this for 5 months. I'm keeping this until it smells bad. Anyway, I'm just going to leave that on and I'm going to apply a nice, actually do I have a lip scrub in here? Because my lips need a freaking scrub, that's for damn sure. I don't know, I must have gotten sunburnt on my lips because my lips are so crusty. You guys know, well you probably don't know, but people who know me know I drink so much water. There's no reason my lips should be this dry. They're like exceptionally dry at the moment. Anyway, I'm going to go and chill for a little bit. Then I'm going to come back, take this off, and then I'll pluck my eyebrows. And that'll be my good old self-love Pamper day finished. Alright, so it's been closer to an hour because I got distracted watching that episode of The Mandalorian. As you guys can see, it's gone completely transparent, whereas before it was like, I don't know, like a bluish, baby blue, white cream color. Now it just feels more like a really thick, oily consistency on my skin. So I've just got a face cloth and I am going to remove it just because I don't want to wear this overnight. I don't like the feeling of like overnight masks usually because they just like mash into your pillow and I don't really like that. So just going to wipe this off. Just looks like that. Just nice and gently. My skin feels insanely hydrated and glowy, obviously because I've just rubbed off a really like moisturizing mask, and even after wiping it off my skin does still feel really like it's got moisturizer on it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this onto my face and then I'm just going to massage it in using the gua sha, I'm hoping I'm saying that right, just because I want to make sure that my skin feels really nice. I really want to get into doing this. It's like lymphatic massage, lymphatic draining I think it's called, which just helps to like depuff your face and like promotes circulation, yada yada yada. Probably would work really well if I use my face oil actually, but I've already scooped this. Actually maybe I'll put my face oil on. I'm putting it back in. So I'm going to use the Drunk Elephant Marula oil. This is like one of my favorite facial oils. I'm going to take a couple of drops in the palm of my hand and I'm going to apply it to my face like I normally would. I haven't used this in ages, just solely because oils obviously stay on your skin for a while, and I'm usually bad at doing my skincare routine until I'm just about to go to bed. Today is an exception because it's Pamper night, but usually I forget and I don't like to go to bed, like I said, with stuff like this on my face right before bedtime. Anyway, I'm assuming you hold the gua sha, which, by the way, how pretty is it? Just like this. And I believe you just drag it upward. It's just so much easier to use than the roller that I have. I have a roller from right back when 4th grade beauty started. Got it for Christmas, like one of the, you know, quartz rollers. But this is just so much easier to use. I do like the idea of this as a tool. If you were tossing up between this or the crystal roller type product, which looks like this, I definitely recommend this guy because these are nice, but because they spin and they roll, they make like a noise and they don't really roll as easily. This was really, really easy to use and easy to clean. There's no metal involved, it's just crystal, so I did really like that. I do also feel like that oil absorbed a lot while I was like pushing it into the skin, so I'm quite happy with that. By the way, I just wanted to show you guys this because I don't think I opened it when I got it. This is the 4th grade later hater. Now this isn't totally set, but I mentioned to you guys that it's one of those like split products where you use a cotton tip, dip it down into the powder, and then you apply it to a pimple. Yeah, that smells very strong. I'm just going to do it to my 2 pimples. It's probably not going to work as effectively because I have oil on them, so all I usually do is just wipe them with one end of the cotton tip, and then with the other end all you do is you just dip it right down. Oh my gosh, that one has so much product. Okay, there's way more of this on the bottom with this than there is with the one that I'm used to using, and then you just dot it on to any blemishes, and it stings, but it works really well. This is a way nicer consistency than the Mario Badescu one. Like, it's really smooth. Those are the only 2 that I have. I did not need that much product. Alright, note to self. Yeah, I'm excited to have this because our Mario Badescu one is old and it's actually hazel, so now I have one for our bathroom for whenever I need it. Because, you know, that's one of those products that you just like need it there when you want to use it. Like, if I see a pimple, I just need it straight away, otherwise I forget. So yeah, that is today's little pamper routine.